My name is Bam Kailas Kumar, and today I'm going to tell you how you can install Camtasia software and use this software to record your screen with audio. Actually, this is the best screen recorder software in the market. You cannot find similar recording software that is up to this. So first of all, please subscribe to my channel so that this will help me to make more videos like this. So I have already downloaded the setup file. You can download the setup file from this website, that is techsmith.com. Just click on free trial and you can download it. I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. So here is the setup file. So let's start. First of all, let's double click it. Wait a minute. installation has been already finished. You can see there is option to click on finish. Just click on finish and you can see the software is already installed. Here it is, the shortcut Camtasia 9. So just double click on that and you can start the software. So starting this, wait a moment. You can see that software is loading right now. Okay, it is getting started. Okay, so here the UI of Camtasia is. So okay, so this is a 30-day trial. You can click on continue trial to continue using this software, or you can purchase it. As I have seen, this software cost around 20,000 in INR, that is Indian rupees. You better know, if you can pay, you can purchase this software, and you already know if you can't purchase what you have to do. I don't need to tell you. So anyway, I'm going to click on continue trial. Wait, okay, so wait a moment, it is still loading. Okay.
Welcome to Camtasia. This sample project will provide a quick tour and get you started. If you're looking for more in-depth tutorials that will walk you through the entire process of recording, editing, and sharing your videos, check out the video tutorials on our website. Right now, you're in the Camtasia editor. The editor is made up of the timeline, where you can arrange and edit your clips, the canvas, which is your video preview, and the tools panel, where your media is stored, along with shapes, animations, effects, and more. At the top of the tools panel, there's a button to launch the Camtasia Recorder, a tool that captures all of the action on your computer screen. When you're done recording, each clip will be placed in your media bin and on your timeline. If there are parts of your recording you don't need to show, you can trim them from the end or cut them from the middle. If you'd like to add other media, titles, or effects, drag them from the Tools panel to the timeline. If you choose an effect, such as an animation or transition, the clips on the timeline will highlight, showing you where it can be applied. While you're working on your project, use the canvas to position your media and preview any edits you make. You can use the Properties panel to fine-tune your media and effects, such as positioning an object to an exact location, rotating an object, or even changing its scale and opacity. When you're satisfied with your video, produce it either as a file on your computer or share it directly to popular web destinations. Now it's time for you to try. To get started, experiment with this sample project. Try deleting or adding clips to the timeline, or maybe add a transition or effect to something that's already there. You can always open a fresh copy of this project from the Help menu. When you're comfortable, start a new project to create your very own video. If you're looking to do more with your project, like adding animations, quizzes, or even importing your own video, check out the tutorials on our webpage. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so here you just saw the quick introduction of TechSmith that is Camtasia software.